Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I transform my old room into something beautiful. Just stay and watch. Bye. Okay, so this is the entrance to my room. Um, that's my TV. The room is currently, the walls is currently all white, as you can see. This is my bed. Um, this is the closet, and this is back in the hallway, and that's the pants right there. The pant is on the floor right there. So this is the room. It's not a big room, it's super small. So I want to go ahead and transform the room into something more welcoming. And I know even though it's black and white, but I want to do it in a way where when I come from work and I'm super tired, I will be super duper comfortable. Do not mind the TV on the floor. I actually just bought this TV, so I'm not gonna tell you guys what's gonna happen with it, but I'll let you guys see it when everything is done. So that is basically the room. Okay, I'm watching something made. It's really interesting. So that's it. So I will see you guys when my room is totally upgraded. Bye.